welcome back. Your boy made it. Your boy got him. Foot Locker. Shout out to Foot Locker for, you know what I'm saying, coming in clutch. Y'all already know. Y'all know why y'all here. Y'all know if this drop on this day, y'all know what it is. Boom, original box. You know. Hold on. I'm over here tripping. You know what? Hey, I'm gonna be back real quick. Let me get out this parking lot. I'm too excited, but I'm tripping. You know, everybody looking at my car and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? I'll be back, y'all, cause y'all not about to get a stain on me. You feel me? I'll be back in 10 minutes. Let me go find a safe spot so I can do this shoe review. Welcome back. This your boy LG, aka Coach with the Kicks. I forgot my intro earlier, but my apologies. I was going to do a shoe review in my car, but you know, I was in the city when I picked these up on the Hip, at the Hip Mall, which is on Harlem in Urban Park Plaza. You know, just a lot of eyes, you know, lurking, you know, when I showing the shoes. So, you know, head on a swivel, I just ain't feel comfortable. So, you know how that is. So, you know, everybody that's doing shoe reviews in your car, always be safe. Always have your head on swivel. Make sure you park it somewhere safe. I was just so excited to show y'all. But, you know, I'm back at home. So, you know why you here. Bam! You know, the original cement box. You know, nothing too different. Nothing too different. So, you got the OG cement paper. Yeah, boy. Size 12. So, you know, Jordan 4s, they do run fitted. I'm not even going to call them tight. They run a little bit fitted, right? So, I didn't see half sizes. Y'all let me know if these come in half sizes. I didn't see half sizes when I was on the website. So even Nike.com didn't have half sizes. So y'all let me know if there's half sizes. But I'm gonna show you the shoe. Forget the talking. Bam! These is my top 5 shoe. Forget top 5. These are my top 3 colorways. These are the OG originals, you know. So you look at the tongue, boom, laced up, the net material. Like all the Jordan 4s, but you know, I love that accent, you know, with the net material. The toe box, perfect, pristine, clean. I looked at these shoes, you know, when I got my cement 3s, you know, I was able to cop 2 pairs, but when I copped them, they both was different. So I don't think that's going on with these Jordan 4s. I think it's good quality control, which I'm excited about. So you see the Nike ear, boom, ear on the tab. I'm gonna give you this. Bam. Oh, that's a thumbnail. Let me smile for y'all. That's a thumbnail right there. That's the thumbnail for y'all. Okay, let me stop playing. But let me show y'all. I do got my Jordans that I got way back. So I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna go the left shoe. So I'm gonna show y'all a comparison from, hey, these came out. Let me check. I don't know when they came out, but it was manufactured November 22nd, 2011. I can't remember when these came out, but look at these OGs. They worn, so hey, they crack. You know, I was rocking my stuff. They was clean though, but I was rocking my stuff. So as far as yellowing, I had these for about 14 years. They ain't yellow too much. I kept them in decent condition. But just to give you a comparison, I know y'all don't care about no dirty shoe. But just to let y'all know the difference between now and 2011. Toe box is still, you know, still the same. One thing that I did notice on here which is pretty obvious. Boom. And I know they've been doing this on a lot of Nikes. But again, back then they had the Jordan logo. Now they got the Nike Air logo. I like the Nike Air because it takes more up the hill tap, so it makes you want to look at more of the hill more. You know, when you walk in, you got your jeans tucked in. One thing I did notice between the two, the grays are a little bit darker. The one in 2011 is a little bit darker than the one that came out this year. I don't really care. To be honest, I don't really care. Gray is gray. It's not too much of a difference. But, you know, if people, you know, the nostalgia of the shoe, if you're really wondering, that's a big thing. Detail. I love detail. I don't know if y'all can see it, but the Nike has a cement speckle on there. You can't see it unless, like, yeah, you can see it a little bit. They got the cement speckle, which I think is dope, that they just put it all over the Nike. So, again, I pay attention to detail. Just, you know, love shoes, so that's what I like. But other than that, as a cement, you can see no more, no less, just a different color Nike. But other than that, with the shoe, and again, you know, it's Jordan, Nike Air at the bottom. That's the other difference. So let me switch the shoes. But enough of 2011. I just had to show y'all the difference. Back to 2025. Bye, y'all. So usually when I cop shoes, I let them sit for a little bit, you know, age a little bit, like a month or two, then I bring them out. But your boy birthday is tomorrow. So if my birthday's tomorrow, I got the shoes today. What does that mean? Y'all don't even gotta think about it. I'm rocking these tomorrow. They is not sitting because, again, these are the OG colorways. Top 3 shoes that I like. I mean, it competes with the Jordan 11 Breads. I'm not even gonna say the Jordan 1 Chicago's. That's like in my top 5, not my top 3. But I gotta go the metallic 5s. I mean, you know, everybody they got different, you know, different views of what they top 3, top 5 is. But those are my top 5 colorways: Jordan 11s, Jordan 4s, Jordan 5s. So here you go. But I'm gonna show y'all one more before I get up out of here. Before I get up out of here, so y'all can see the tongue. Tongue pristine. Y'all get this way. Yes, when I first picked up the shoes, you know, when you get to Foot Locker in shoe store, they check them out, they look at the shoes. I'm like, man, these bad boys look clunky. You know, I thought they was huge, but when I compare it to the old shoes, they're not huge. So again, Jordan 4s, thank y'all. Memorial Day weekend, Jordan, you did us a favor. These came out. Hey, whoever, y'all let me know, because I'm looking at the dates, right? It got 2 dates on here: October 30th, 2024, and January 10th, 2025. So I know that's when they was manufactured. But did they this release date get sent back? I'm just curious. I know it don't mean y'all can't even see it. I don't know why I'm tripping. Y'all not even gonna be able to see the dates. Oh, y'all might be able to see the date. I don't know. If y'all got good eyes, y'all can see it. Y'all just let me know. Am I tripping? But that's about it. I'm just curious. The Nike toe tag. This plastic, I don't really care. I mean, like I said, I got the old ones. I don't know what the old shoe is, but you know, they got the plastic Nike. Back then, they had the little chain. Y'all remember the little chain that used to come on here? Then y'all had to, you know, just pop it out like. They don't got that anymore. They just got the Nike where you could just cut off. Because a lot of people they don't really rock the Nike thing anyway. I think it's tacky. The people who do rock it, it's tacky. The only thing I kept the Nike on is I ain't gonna lie, is my Jordan 4 retros. You remember them women ones? Let me show y'all, G. I know this. I know y'all didn't care about these, but these, you know, these. Oh, they don't even. I'm tweaking. I'm doing too much. They don't even have the Nike. They had the toe tag. They had the plastic. So this is how the Nikes used to come. I was talking about the toe tag. I forgot they had on both shoes. But anyways, this is how the Nike used to come. They used to come with the plastic, and they had the little metal chain on the Nikes. They don't come like that no more. So again, each his own. But if you know, nostalgia, if you want the OGs and you think about the OGs and you want to know, man, are they just like how they used to be when they came out before? Those are just small details that they don't have. But other than that, I can't find the difference. I mean, the heel tabs, I mean, they're a little more flimsier, but I like it because, you know, sometimes if you know, if you wear Jordan 4s, when you be wearing this be scratching your heels. So if you know, you know. So this being a little bit softer, I'm liking it. Other than that, that's it. So let me know what y'all think about these shoes in the comment section. Let me know if y'all like them, if y'all hate them. Let me know y'all top 5. I ain't gonna say top 3, top 5. I need to know the colorway too, because that matters. You can't say any Jordan 4s or top 5. Nah, the colorway matters. So let me know y'all top 5 in the comment section. If y'all rock with me, thank y'all for liking, subscribing to the channel, sharing it. You know, I appreciate y'all support. And one more thing before y'all get up out of here. One more thing. I say it to the end, but one more thing. I got something to tell y'all. Wish me happy birthday. Tomorrow's my birthday. So wish me happy birthday. But yeah, other than that, I'm out. I'm about to enjoy this beautiful day with my family. We about to do something. Whatever we about to do, these is on my feet. So I'll give y'all on shoe review. So thank y'all. Appreciate y'all. Coach says 1, 2, 3. We out. Boom.